Mustard Seed of Central Florida is the only furniture and clothing bank in the area. The individuals and families that we serve are starting over for so many reasons. Many have tragedy or a natural disaster, and we are here to help them. And what that looks like is about 500 pieces of furniture, the linens, the dishes, the beds.
My name's Jennifer Groff. I'm a U.S. Air Force veteran. I was homeless, living in my car. I learned about the mustard seed through Veterans Affairs.
Once we identify housing, we put in a referral to Mustard Seed. They are able to furnish an entire apartment or home.
The Mustard Seed was founded 36 years ago, and we are now in this 20,000 square foot facility. We reach about 3,000 individuals per year by helping them with the items that they need to have a stable home.
It'll change my life by knowing that I have a nice, comfortable bed to sleep at night. They are a great resource.
We also recycle, repurpose, and reuse as much product as we possibly can to make sure things don't go to the landfill. The mattress recycling is an area that we've started in 2011. Since that time, we have deconstructed 190,000 mattresses, saving 4 million cubic feet from the landfill. The opportunity that we have with the Magical Dining funding is going to allow us to help even more families. Orlando has so many wonderful dining opportunities. I want to make sure that everyone that is listening to please go out, dine often.